evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual EuropaProperty SEE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. And we'll start with our first category to test all this out, which is Retailer of the Year. And Agata, if you would read off the short list.
Here, ladies and gentlemen, are the nominees: Burger King, La Fontana, Cloppenburg, and Victoria's Secret.
And this awards category, Retailer of the Year, is sponsored by WDP this year. And a few words from our sponsor, Dana Bourdet.
And Dana, it's really good to see you, and thank you for joining us and handing out this award.
WDP is honored to sponsor the Retail Award this year, as retail industry has been the most fruitful partnership we had in the past 3 years. We almost doubled our portfolio all over Romania with fashion and food logistic hubs. And we opened the north of Bucharest as a new perspective in terms of logistic locations around the city. So the Retail Award goes to...
Okay, and now thank you very much for sponsoring this event, and we've got the winner of the Retailer of the Year Award. And the winner is
Cloppenburg.
Yay! Okay, now one of the things we're doing is we're searching the world to find someone to accept this award and Cloppenburg's part. So let's see who we have to accept this award. Heis, good to see you. Welcome.
Good to see you as well, Craig. Good to see you, everyone.
I know you put in the nomination for Cloppenburg. Thank you for that.
Welcome, and on behalf of Cloppenburg, many thanks for giving this award to us. We're very grateful that we have managed to expand further our activities in Romania, and we look forward to growing further once this crisis lies behind us. Thank you very much, and
Excellent.
Good evening to everybody.
And thank you for joining us, and I guess we'll probably see you back a little later as well.